Welcome to Async Code. Want to be the kind of coder who knows exactly what they're doing? Hit subscribe and let's build some projects that will make you feel like a coding rock star. Assembly Language System Calls in Linux, NASM x86. System calls are how an assembly program interacts with the operating system. These allow us to 1. Print text on the screen. 2. Read input from the user. 3. Exit the program properly. In this program we will use sys_write system call for to print a message. Use sys_read system call 3 to take user input. Use sys_exit system call 1 to exit the program properly. Data segment initialize values. Message prompting user input. Greeting message. New line character ASCII 10. BSS segment uninitialized storage. Reserve 20 bytes for user input. Code segment executable instructions. Entry point for the program. Step 1. Print a message using sys_write. Sys_write system call for prints text to the screen. Arguments x equals 4 sys_write. X equals 1 stout. X equals message address. X equals message length. Message length. Enter your name. Load message address into ECX. File descriptor 1 equals stout. System call number for sys_write. Call kernel to execute sys_write. Step 2. Read user input using sys_read. Sys_read system call 3 reads input from the user. Arguments x equals 3 sys_read. X equals 0 stin. X equals buffer address. X equals number of bytes to read. Max characters to read. Buffer to store input. File descriptor 0 equals stin. System call number for sys_read. Call kernel to execute sys_read. Step 3. Print greeting message plus user input. Print hello message. Length of hello. Load address of hello. File descriptor stout. System call number for sys_write. Call kernel. Print user input, name entered by user. Assume user entered up to 20 chars. Load user input buffer. File descriptor stout. System call number for sys_write. Call kernel. Print new line for better formatting. Length of new line character. Address of new line. File descriptor stout. System call number for sys_write. Call kernel. Step 4. Exit program using sys_exit. Sys_exit, system call 1, terminates the program. Arguments. X equals 1, sys_exit. X equals exit code, 0 equals success. System call number for sys_exit. Call kernel to terminate the program. End of program. We successfully demonstrated system calls in assembly. I hope you liked the video. Hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one.